Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set a scheduled email in Gmail. If you find yourself working outside of regular office hours, or if you're sending an email at the end of the day or work week that doesn't need immediate attention, scheduling emails can be a helpful tool. Gmail allows you to do this with ease by composing an email and selecting what date and time you want it to be sent. If you need to make edits to a scheduled email or cancel sending it entirely, you can do so with just a few clicks. Here's everything you need to know. But any recipients of scheduled emails won't know that the email was scheduled. And you can schedule up to 100 emails. So first, open the Gmail app, then tap the Compose button on the bottom right of the screen. Now, draft your email. When you're finished, tap the More icon at the top right of the screen. The More button looks like three dots, horizontal on Apple device and vertical on Android devices. Now, tap Scheduled Send. And last, tap to select one of the options suggested by Gmail, or set a custom send date and time by tapping Pick Date and Time. Just like on desktop, you can choose your send date and time. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.